guys, we're out here on the banks of the Goulburn River. We're going to cook some Murray Cod today. Now we've got all the luxuries in the van that we need to cook. We've got the grill, we've got the flat top, but one of the best things about cooking and camping and living that lifestyle is being able to cook over the campfire. Certainly something that I'm really fond of cooking, and today we're going to show you how to cook a piece of fish over the coals. Once you've got your fish all sorted out, give it a really nice olive oil and a really nice season. We're going to cook over the fire today, and we're going to use a cake rack. Very cheap, efficient and effective way to cook over the coals. So what you want to do, you want to get that fire lit nice and early, because you don't want to be cooking directly over the flames. The flames are good because they'll provide heat, but what we really want to do is get that fire lit nice and early and get a nice bed of embers going, and that's where we're going to cook. We're going to cook directly over those embers. So we've had this fire going for a while now. We've got the Murray Cod nicely oiled and seasoned, and we're just going to give this fire a little rack up. Yeah, it's going to be perfect. So that's where the cake rack, perfect. A lot of heat exposure through the cake rack. It's perfect, going to be cook it up really beauty. Right, let's go. Don't touch it now. Don't think it's going to burn, it's going to stick, and it's going to get all singed and burnt under there. Part of the excitement of cooking with fire is those burnt, singed corners. We really want to expose that skin to the heat so it doesn't stick. We'll come back and check it in a minute. Alright, so one of the really good things about cooking on the cake rack is that you can just move the cake rack around to find those hot spots. We want to get that fish cooked nice and dry on the skin so it doesn't stick when we turn it. Okay, so the fish has been cooking for about 4 or 5 minutes now, and we're ready to turn it. That's really good. I'm really happy with that.